Hello everybody, this is Shobit. So guys, today I'll show you a very basic MCP server program which I have created. It's very basic. So let me give you an idea what I am planning to do over here. So I have created a .py file, Python script. Here I am importing the fast MCP. I have created a couple of tools over here. The first one is the echo. Whatever I am passing over here, it will just print it over here. There is another tool which is add. Intentionally I am returning 999 instead of adding the number. There is another tool which is stamp. Intentionally I am returning 999. And with the help of the continue client, I am calling this. Just you want to, here you can see we have created three tools, right? So echo, add and temp. Fine. Now what I'll do is I'll say echo Shobit. It will just print Shobit, right? That is fine. If I say temp 4 and 4, it is asking me I need to use the MCP server. I say yes. The result of temp and 4 is 999, which is here, 999. Now I'm saying add 4 and 4. Now you can notice one thing here, the command is same 4 and 4, 4 and 4, temp add. If you see the tool temp and add, everything is same, right? But here it is giving me a correct result. It's not calling this method. It's calling, it's not calling this method, but internally it is calculating and returning the correct value, right? If I want to explicitly call this method, then what I need to do, I need to specify in a proper way. For example, use my tool add and add the two numbers 4 and 4. Now explicitly it will go over here and mention, and it will return me 999 because 999 is here. And it's also mentioned here that it's not expected output. Normally it should be 8, but since I mentioned 999, so that's why it's returning 999. So I think so it seems like, LLM is quite intelligent. He knows very well that when we need to call this method or not. If I explicitly mention, okay, just call this method, call this tool, then he's calculating and returning the data as per the method. But eventually it also mentioning that this should not be the expected output. Normally it should be it. So that's something that I want to show. Thank you for watching this.